If you've ever hesitated while sending an email because you weren't fully sure you were doing it right, this video is going to make your life much easier. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, clean, and complete step-by-step guide on how to send an email using Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just want to sharpen your skills, stay with me till the end because every step matters. Let's start with the basics. First, open your web browser and head over to the Gmail website. Log in using your email and password. Once you're in, you will land on the Gmail dashboard. This is your main workspace where all your emails live and where you'll be composing the new one. Now, to start composing, click on the Compose button located on the top left corner of the screen. As soon as you click it, a new message window pops up at the bottom right. This is your blank canvas, the place where your email begins. Next, it's time to add your recipient in the To field. Type the email address of the person you're sending the message to. If you're emailing multiple people, just separate each email address with a comma. Make sure you double check spellings. A tiny mistake can send your email to the wrong person or bounce it back entirely. Once your recipients are set, move on to the subject line. This is where you briefly summarize what your email is about. Keep it clear and direct. Below that, in the main message box, start with a greeting like hello or hi, followed by the person's name. Then write your message in a simple, organized way. Wrap it up with a clean closing, such as best regards or thank you, followed by your name. Before you hit send, take a brief moment to review everything. Proofread your message, check your spelling, grammar, and make sure your email makes sense. Also confirm that you've included all important details like dates, attachments, or links. Speaking of attachments, if you need to include a file, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the email window. Select the file you want to upload, wait for it to load completely, and once everything looks perfect, click the send button. Gmail will show a quick confirmation pop-up at the bottom left, letting you know your email was sent successfully. And that's it. Sending an email with Gmail is that simple. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a guide on another Gmail feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.